Ka sarkar jala kalapan khamti shakilai tili ki district council haka jala ban penyat no shat ya ka jing penterekam ya ka digitalisation of land records habaro ki Jaka ki baha papok ka 6 schedule ya kan ye leitu do menteri ketenat district council affairs uba Prestone tensok Hakalai tire unai wing arhajar arhulai usembut menteri rang ba kajala ubalong ru menteri ketenat DCA ulalumi kejingelang bagi nong mikmat nakilai tili ki district council ki bakentop ya ka ADC ka ADC bat ka ADC nakamenta bani selok halo kejing penteri kamno ya ka digitalisation of land records hakajala umbela betha ra ka sarkar pedeng Haba pentek balor kejingelang uba Prestone tensong ulayathu bakani kejing penteri kam ya ka digitalisation of land records na kabenta ki Jaka ki baha popok ka 6 schedule kan long hakawat ke benkong kaba ya ki Jaka sarkar ki Jaka cantonment on sa penrong hakawat ke baar Ulayathu ru banalor ke district council ka sarkar kan buru ya ka project management unit ka PMU ban create da secretary ke DCA rengkat ki officer jo ketenat revenue bat ki deputy commissioner ki balapan khamti lang ya ka ni kejing penteri kam ya ka digitalisation of land record Habakali halor kejing penteri kam ya ka MRSSA hakajala uba Prestone tunsong ulayathu baha kata yo ke banwan nakaliang menteri rang ba kajala unsa khot ikejing yelang banyakran halor ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Act kabala de penpia da ka sarkar pedeng dangshen bat kumbakalong menta ka sarkar jala kadang penteri kam ya ka MRSSA arhajar khan riu haki nyau tiliki than hanong ba shalong
that the Ministry of Home Affairs has already returned back that amendment passed in the Assembly. And next week we are going to have a meeting. Chief Minister, myself and a few senior officers, including Advocate General, will sit down and then how to go forward. Because they have already submitted with the views, with their views from the Ministry of Home Affairs. So right now I will not be able to tell you anything. So let us first sit down, we'll have a meeting, then you will be known.
Sir, like MRSs say, when these 7 localities are asked to be registered, so sir, when this second phase will start?
See, I think we don't say that the implementation of this act has just happened few days back. No, we have already constituted even the district task force headed by the respective deputy commissioner, and then even the SPs. They are the members of this committee, and these task force committee is in place, and we have already directed all the deputy commissioners to implement this MRSSA Act accordingly and make sure in the respective jurisdiction that it should be implemented in totality.
So, but what is the status of the setting up of entry-exit points? Because the only entry point that has been set up by the government
That's what I'm telling you. Listen to me. Since the amendment was not approved by the ministry, so it has come back to us. So I can't tell you right now. Let us sit down first. I told you CM has already called a meeting next week, and myself and few legal experts will sit down and then we'll come up with maybe, I don't know how to go about it. I'm just saying. Okay? Digitalization means it will take place entirely. And right now we are going to the 3 district council, which is under the 6th schedule. Okay. So when you talk about the government land, revenue land, or maybe the cantonment land or whatever, that will come in the next phase. But the first phase right now is we are talking about the land which is totally under the 6th schedule. See, this digitalization means those who are already registered, be it with the district collector, or be it with the district council, or be it with the same of it, we will do the digitalization. And those who has not, then the district council or the district council will take up the responsibility of doing it. They'll make sure they issue a proper land document, and thereafter they will digitalize it.